माझं नाव सरपंच झाला पण माझं मेन हेतू आलो की मेक चिकालीम पंचायत मोर ग्रीनर जे कार्बन डायऑक्साइड लेवल हा पळय कमी करपाचो आनी ऑक्सिजन लेवल वाडोवपाचो एंड वी हॅव अ डायनेमीक मिनिस्टर आनी MLA आमकां गावल्लो आहा हू इज कंटिन्युअसली टायरलेसली वर्किंग फॉर द कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सो इतलो व्हडलो जॉगर्स पार्क आमकां दिल्लो आसा देन ऑलमोस्ट 10 करोडाचे गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचें काम चालू आसा आनी इट वील बी फायनलायज विदीन 1 मंथ सो वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव दॅट ट्रिबल इंजिन की सरकार फ्रॉम सेंटर वी आर गेटिंग हेल्प फ्रॉम स्टेट वी आर गेटिंग हेल्प आमचो मिनिस्टर आमदार सो इट्स इन लायन एक्चुली दाबोलीम एंड चिकालीम एक्चुली वी आर ब्लेस्ड चिकालीम पंचायत बिकॉज आमकां सांगपाची गरज पडना विदाउट टेलिंग वी आर गेटिंग एवरीथींग सो वी वील जस्ट हॅव टू मॅनेज वॉट वी आर गेटिंग आमकां भिरांत पडलेले हाव टू मॅनेज एक्चुली इतले प्रकल्प आमकां दिल्ले आहा सरान सो वी आर जस्ट थिंकींग अबाउट द मॅनेजमेंट जाले उपरांत कसो मॅनेज करपाचो तुम्ही आता पळयल्लें आसा की इतलो व्हडलो जॉगर्स पार्क सेकंड फेज ऑलमोस्ट 10 कोटी खर्च केला गव्हर्मेंटान सो 6500 ट्रीज बीन प्लांटेड हियर जे कोण म्हणटालो पळय गार्बेज जॉगर्स पार्क पिड्यार केला आमचे स्ट्रक्चर येवन तांकां सांगपाक सोदता की स्ट्रक्चर येयला इट इज फॉर गूड कॉज जीम येयला योगा सेंटर येयला सिनियर सिटीजन्स पार्क लायब्ररी येयला प्लस वी आर प्लांटिंग मोर 6500 ट्रीज इन दॅट which were not destroyed additional so it's a very good thing which will be coming up in next 1 month.
I especially want to thank the GSIDC for giving me this project and our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant for allowing me to carry on this work, and there will be another important foundation stone laid where Flintstone was there, the main circle, so that work also will start. Once the foundation stone is laid, we just discuss the plan, and I must specially thank our architect Mangesh Prabhugaonkar, who has been instrumental in designing this park exactly how I wanted it. He has done better a job than what I told him. Even about our new project in the other place, he has designed something awesome. So people will be happy, and these are not something which is only for Dabolim specific. People from Murmungaon come here, entire Navy people come here. That means from all over India, people are enjoying this park. And similarly, I have people coming from Margaon, from Mapsa all the way, from Panjim to enjoy this park. So I think come August, you'll see a lot of people descending on this park. So I am very grateful to them for their contribution. रोडाचे काम आमचे थिंगा चालू आसा. Thanks to PWD Minister Nilesh Kabral out of the way वचून काम चालू आसा ते रोडाचे. So we have a good road leading to the garbage plant. Over and above, besides seeing greenery here, muddam sangpa sodda, we are spending a lot of money on the landscaping in the garbage treatment plant. It will not look like a garbage plant at all. Thanks to the Komdat people who have given this land, whether it is Raymond Carvalho, whether it is Mayan Salkar, whether it is Manel Dash, they have cooperated in helping us. Even this land was given when Raymond Carvalho was there. So I especially want to thank the Komdat of Chikalim. This will be a reality when you see it actually happening on in August, at the beginning of August. You will come to know what a awesome project this is. It is the lungs of Dabolim constituency. Building तुका सगळे कडेन दिसता पण not a lung to breathe, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. तेच तसले खबर सगळे कडेन बिल्डिंग येयल्यो एक विसो घेवपाक मातशें तरी येना जाल्यार कितें फायदो. तेच भाशेन एक hall, I think to my right there is a yoga hall where we will have trained people giving yoga classes, giving space for people to come and do yoga. Recently our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the United Nations, I think we have come of age as a country. Yoga has gone to the entire world thanks to our tallest leader of this nation, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And today it is promoting health, it is promoting the well-being. A healthy mind, a healthy body is good for everyone. That is what yoga propagates. And teka lagon, o योग जो आमचो आसा तो आख्खे संवसारा फांकयल्ला आनी तेका लागून हांव समजता आमी योगा हॉलूय थिंगा केल्ले आसा next to the water lagoon. So it's going to be a quiet, serene place where people can just sit, chill out, do yoga, walk on your modern walking track, as well as enjoy the beauty. Children will have their play area as well. We are putting all new equipment. They will be able to come and play. We have put such equipment. Senior citizens, senior people can also do exercises. Today everyone is realizing for a healthy life, health is wealth. हेल्थूच ना जाल्यार तूं वेल्थ आनी कसो करतलो तूं डॉक्टरां कडेच धांवतलो हॉस्पिटलांकूच इन एंड आउट जातले हें ना जावपा खातीर वेदर इट इज योगा वेदर इट इज एक्सरसाइज वेदर इट इज अ सिंपल वॉक वी आर डुईंग इट ऑल इन दीस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सगळ्यांक खबर आसा जॉगर्स पार्क जो आमचो आशिल्लो सगळ्यान सुंदर पार्क आख्ख्या गोंयान आशिल्लो तरी आसतना आमी आनिकूय तो बरे भाशेन तेजो विस्तार केला इम्प्रूव केला जायत्यो सवलत्यो लोकांक मेळपा खातीर सिनियर सिटीजन्सा लायब्ररी आसा एक वॉटर लगून आसा फॉर द एस्थेटिक्स फॉर पीपल टू सीट अराउंड एक्झॉटीक ट्रीज मागीर बाकीचे चिल्ड्रन्स क्रॅश भुरग्यां कोण वॉकिंगा येता भायलो ल्हान भुरगीं आहा जाल्यार तांकां थिंगा म्हणजे भुरग्यांक धरून वॉक करपा मेळटलें इंडोर जीम आउटडोर जीम न्यू वॉकिंग ट्रॅक सगळ्यांक खबर आसा आहा ती ट्रॅक सारकी उणें पडटली आमी आतां ती डबल ट्रॅकिंग केला सेकंड ट्रॅक आहा तो आमी लेटस्ट मटेरियल वीच वील नॉट हर्ट द नीज रबरायज मटेरियल वीच इज अवेलेबल इन द वर्ल्ड वी आर पुटींग देर दिस इज ऑल बिकमिंग अ रियलिटी एक फूड कोर्ट केल्लो आसा एंटरटेनमेंट सेंटर केल्लो आसा तेच बरोबर आनिकूय झाडां जी आमी आतां लायता आय थिंक आतां एक हांवें आंब्याचें झाड लायिल्लें आसा देर आर 1500 such trees being planted. Small size trees are there, medium trees are there. Totally we are planting something like 6,500 trees. Yeah, muddam sangpa sotta. You will see greenery all around. Along with that, also I don't want to forget, आम्ही एक महिला भवन करता, एक function area mun, where a stage will be there and people will be able to have small and big function. These are all being added in the village panchayat of Chikalim jurisdiction. आम्ही हांगा हे मेंटेन कशें करतले आनी एक न्यू फॅसेट येवपाचें आसा गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आमचे येता विच इज ऑलरेडी फंक्शनल ट्रायल्स आर गोईंग ऑन फ्रॉम ऑगस्ट इट विल बी फुल्ली फंक्शनल उदीक आमकां आउट ऑफ फिकल वेस्ट आउट ऑफ STP प्लांट आमकां उदकाची पायपलायन सारकी हिंगा एक टँकीन येतले 2 टँकीन रादर एंड दॅट वॉटर विल बी यूज सो वील नॉट बी युजींग ड्रिंकींग वॉटर इट इज लायक वेस्ट टू वेल्थ आणि power also will be generated. We are going to put a small turbine. So power used by Joggers Park and surrounding areas will be from the garbage, from that methane gas which is going to be generated.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.